Hey, this is Chad with Munday Scientific and Microscope Marketplace. Today we've got an Olympus CK2 tissue culture microscope. So this is an oldie but goodie. We've got a whole video on disassembly and reassembly. So whenever you get that, whenever you receive the microscope, it will be disassembled. We'll do some light version of that in this video, but we'll have the full video linked in the description if you need it. So Michael's going to come in. We're just going to talk about the scope really quick. On this one, we have a trinocular head, and that one comes off with this thumb screw right here. So you can add a camera. Each side has a diopter tube, and the interpupillary distance moves nice and smooth. You got 10x by 18 millimeter field of view eyepieces. You have the other video that we have shows how to attach a mechanical stage. This one, they're gonna just set the weld plate up here and do basic tissue culture, but we do have an extension on this side. Same thing, Michael, show down here, has these two thumb screws that you can take these off, take this extension off, or put it on. So you just loosen these, and this extension comes right off. We show how to do that in the video, but I do want to just kind of break it down for you, give you an idea how that works. We have coarse and fine focus on this scope, so it has that nice precision focus, and we added these nice knobs, so it's a little bit more ergonomic. They just slide over the fine focus knob. And then you have the phase slider here. You have the bright field section, the 4X, and then you have 10 and 20 on this one. They're adjusted with this. We went ahead and we set the phase ring exactly where it needs to be for these objective, and we put just a little dollop of glue right there. So it's preset, you'll have no problem with it, and it'll be perfectly aligned. We aligned it with the phase telescope. Then you have a blue filter in this scope. A lot of times people use green or blue. This one is blue, and it filters out the orange hue of the halogen light. And you notice whenever I put this in, Mike, can you show kind of, when I put this in, see how the light turns from an orange to a crisp blue color? And what it'll do is it'll look really white when you're looking through the microscope. So you have the rheostat here that turns the light up and down, your on and off switch. And then if you need to change the bulb is this socket right here. It's a 6 volt 20 watt socket with a 6 volt 20 watt bulb. And we'll send you 2 spare bulbs of these right here. Make sure the scope's unplugged whenever you're taking the bulb out and changing it. If your light bulb ever goes out, that's how you change it. It's very easy. One other thing, whenever this microscope arrives, this column comes on and off, and we showed this in the other video, with a 3 millimeter Allen wrench. There's 2 bolts right here. I'll kind of tilt it so you can see it. This bolt and this bolt, it's 3 millimeter Allen wrench, and that bolts this on and off, and the socket plugs in right there. So that's it. Most of the scopes, the tissue culture scopes, are using the 10x objective. So we have a 4, a 10, and a 20 on this scope. But a lot of times they'll just put the 10x in. They're just doing a quick cell count or a cell check to make sure their cells are behaving the way they need to. One last thing, if you do have a trinocular head like this and you want to send light to the camera, so if you ever want to add a camera, you need to pull that rod and it would send light to the camera. But that's basically it on this scope. We just kind of want to talk about tissue culture, and this is a great workhorse. These scopes have been around a long time and people still love them, probably because they don't break. And if they're maintained and serviced properly, this thing will last another 20, 30 years. So if you got any questions about this scope or any other tissue culture scopes that we offer at Microscope Marketplace, give us a call, 919-775-5596. You can email us at info@mundaymicroscope.com. And if this video brought you any value, please like and subscribe. Thanks.